Hello friends, कैसे हैं आप लोग? I hope you will be well. So friends, in this video, we will see the decimal to the binary. Okay friends, you know the variable decimal to binary. So friends, in the previous video, we have to see how to the decimal to the binary convert. Okay friends, but was into the in a C language, C++ language. Okay, now I'm writing this program based on the Java. Okay, all right. So friends, both are the all concept is similar, but some syntax is different only. Okay friends, so let's get started. I'm going to the elaborate everything and each point. Okay, so friends, you know the variable, this one is a class name and this one is a our the main thread. Okay, here is a main public static args. All right, I am taking here the string, so I am taking here the scanner class, so it will be taken from the input from the user side. So I am taking here the input from the user side, so this one is a object of the scanner class. All right, okay friends, now I'm taking input from the user, and after that I'm created here the one variable, and I have initialized with the 0. All right, because friends, when it will be operation, it will be perform and update, it will be value. Okay, and again I have taken here one again variable. I have also initialized with the 0. All right, so friends, I will everything in explain in the our previous video. If you want to the very briefly to deep our concept clear, so you can prefer that one video. I will provide that one video link in the description box. But friends, I will see you the I can see you the friends. You can see here the uh, inside the program. You can firstly I will next move on the next, and I will tell you the next points. Okay friends. Firstly, you can see here the while, because while I am writing here, because friends, because friends, I'm writing. Don't worry friends. You need to the watch the previous video, and but try to explain the in the short way, because video length it will be not too long, because previous video was long, because because very deep we are understanding it. Okay, so friends, you can see here the number is equals to, when it will be not equals to 0, it's mean this number it should be greater than 0. All right, so friends, you checking here the number is not equals to 0. All right, so here this uh, you know the friends, this one is if you will be confused. All right, so don't worry friends, I have created here the I have created here the wait, you can see here the friends, I have created here the one bitwise operator boxes. All right, so I'm taking here the one input. All right friends, you can see I'm taking here the input, and similar friends, it will become at the one, so one is a odd number. Okay, all right, and also this one is, it's mean friends, when both it will be true, when both it will be true friends, it will be result, it will be 1. All right friends, when animal it will be 0, so result it will be 0. All right friends, same friends, in this side the inside the program, here it will become the if even number it will become, so number is equals to, it will be 0, and when it will be num is equals to odd number, so is num is equals to, so odd and odd is equals to 1. All right friends, so it will be stored in the bit variable. After then friends, I move on the next answer variable. So I am taking here the bit, so bit it will become here the 0 or 1, because because from this one line it will be out, it will be give the result, it will be stored in the bit variable 0 or 1. All right friends, okay, and after then friends, you will move on the next. So you can see here the I'm here the typecasting, because here the I'm using the pow method. All right friends, pow method is the taking the friends this one method is taking uh, double variable, so I'm typecasting here because answer is a my integer. All right, and after then friends, you know the variable why I am taking a type, because when process one time it will be executed, after then it will be increment plus 1. All right, so friends, don't worry friends, I have everything explained in this video, and you can see here the friends, this one is a line I am explaining here. Which one line? You know the here friends, this one line I am explaining this time, and you will be move on the next. You can see here the friends, even or odd. All right, and now I am explaining this one line is okay, and after then you will be move the friends. So how this value is stored and where the value is stored, so I am everything explained in this video. Okay friends, so don't worry friends, if you will be follow this video, so your everything concept it will be clear. Never it will be, never in the future to if it will be used to watch this video, and never you will be miss the concept. All right friends, so friends, just like friends, you can see here the friends, this one is a I it will be my I it is increasing one by one my every steps, because you know the power variable is the 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2. Because why is it incrementing? Because I is incrementing one by one. All right friends, and move on the next. So you can see here the friends, I am dividing here the 2 number is equals to num divided by 2. All right, why friends? You can see replace the friends new, you can also replace this one line number shift right operator 1. All right, so friends, this one is line is performing the same operation, and this one is line also performing the same operation, so you can prefer the anyone. All right friends, okay, and I will be check you the both two and the runtime. Okay, and friends, after then friends, you will be this one is incrementing the power variable. So after then friends, it will be print the answer. All right, so I'm going to run it the program, and I'm going to give the input. For example, I'm taking here the 5 input. All right, so you can see here the friends, I'm going to the yes, so you can see here the friends, I have taken the 5 input, so binary is the 0, sorry, 101. All right friends, I'm going to the this one line is comment, and this one is on comment. All right, so I'm going to the run it the again program, and you can see the program friends. Okay friends, because this one is a right shift operator. Okay, this one is a, I'm using here the right shift operator. All right, this one is a right shift operator, and why I'm giving a 1, because 1 is, it's mean divided by 2. All right, when I will give here the 2, so it will be this number, it will be divided by 4. All right, it's mean 2 to the power. All right friends, so friends, move on the next. So friends, I'm going to comment it. All right, and this one is uncomment. So friends, I'm going to take the big input. So just like I'm taking here the 100. So you can see here the friends, my binary number is, so if you want to, if you kind of solve this problem, and everything friends, problem I solved. If you have any problem in this inside the program, so friends, without any hesitations you can comment. Definitely I will be help you friends, because my motive is should not be any doubt clear in your mind. All right friends, thanks for this watching video. I will meet you on the next video with the next topics. Thanks for this watching video.